I'm going to show here how to use 3M intake system aerosol adapter kit. This part number is 08960. When you unbox, basically you will see two pieces over here. One is a major kit, which is an adapter kit. If you look at it, has a brass adapter with a long plastic hose. At the end of the hose you see this S shape one. The second part, we got this as a can holder. It just you need to get insert the can into this adapter and then hang into the hood. This brass adapter has two things: can holder, which comes like that. Second part is a tip which goes into this particular tip, like the fuel passes through this tip. So this is like this, and then see strong it is holding. So push this clip, disconnect, and then we're going to attach this side to the can for the fuel intake cleaner. And once we insert this to the throttle plate, then we're going to insert this clip and then adapter together like this. Then you hear that click noise. For throttle cleaning and in fuel injector cleaning, basically you need three of these 3M products. The first product is 08958, which called Formula Intake System Cleaner Aerosol, and then this is the one which is the step 1. All the instructions are here in the reverse, so you guys need to put the can up and down to read the instructions before starting. This is the step 1 process. And then second one is throttle plate cleaner. You need to use the entire can, the part number 08182. And third one is fuel tank system cleaner. It is a tank additive, and then it fits into the full tank of gasoline for any kind of car, the part number 08813. When we start the step 1, as I mentioned earlier, you need to take this part out from the adapter by pressing this clip. Take this out. In the step 1, you need to attach it to the can. So it does not need any wrench or anything, just you hand tied it, just keep it like this, and then you attach this plastic clip up and down like this. You attach the clip. It's going to be like this when on the hood when you start the process. Okay, first I'm going to remove this cover from the engine to keep it aside. Then we need to unscrew air intake at the throttle plate location. This is the main screw which we need to loosen up, and then get this out. This is a tight location, so I'm using this particular tool, which makes things easy, so I can fold in a shorter way, and then I can insert here easily. So it makes things easy to unscrew. Pull this back. So this is very tight, So that is the way it opens. Then I'm going to insert this S shape. I'm going to insert this all the way inside. So this is going to be in the throttle plate like that. Backward going here, this S shape, and then this tip will go enough in front of the throttle plate. So I'll show you quickly how to put this inside. I inserted at the 12 o'clock. I'll show you the closely. See that IS shape, I put it in the 12 o'clock at the throttle plate, and then I'm going to attach this to the can, and from there we will go. Here is the can. I attached the clip, so this goes into the hook somewhere here like this. And then before we do that, as I said earlier, we need to unclip this. Just a hand tied this part, it looks like this, and then we're going to clip that. Start the car. And then put the can, put it over here. I set the RPM at 1000 level. You can see the fuel running from the tube. So it will take 10 minutes, and then we will go to the step 2. Make sure nothing is leaking. Little bit tight on this one, and make sure the fuel is very inflammable. You need to be careful. Watch the can in case if you have any kind of leakage. You shouldn't have any leakage from here, and then under the throttle plate there. So just watch for that while this process is going. Don't get panic. The engine will stop at the end of the process because more fuel get into the fuel injectors. I took the hose out, pulled out, and then I'm going to start the engine, and then we can see. Engine started, no problem, but it is a little bit high RPM because the accumulator cleaner may be burning now. We'll see how it's going to slow down or not. It may take a few minutes. It's back to the normal RPM. Looks like it is good. Now the step 2, we are going to do the throttle cleaning. For throttle cleaning, I need to use this product. In order to use it, you need to break the top tip and then put this spray tube into it, and then get it ready, and then pull this air hose out, and then I need to turn the throttle plate aft open the aft of the throttle plate, and then holding it with the finger before I spray. You can see I'm pushing at the bottom to open throttle plate, and then holding the can and then spraying inside out. I used the entire can. I sprayed enough. So I'm going to put the air hose back into the throttle. Make sure it fits into the right, and then check around from the back and forth. It fits into the original position. Then we can tighten this. So it is secured. That's good. Now it's going to be more noisy because we put the throttle plate cleaner. Well, we got started. So we are ready for the third step. I got the check engine error, and then I ran the tool scan. Got the P2111. Let's see what is this error code is. I erased the code and then it is gone. I'll restart and then check whether still the error comes or not. So I did the erased and then the error gone because of the fuel from the throttle plate cleaner. So now we go to the step 3, and then I'm going to drive after putting that additive into the fuel tank and fill the tank. I'm going to drive like a 10-20 miles, and then tomorrow I'm going for the oil change. It is required after this process. You should change the oil, engine oil change and then maintenance, because all that carbon deposits may drain into the engine oil. Now step 3, I'm adding the fuel system cleaner into the tank, and then from there I'm going to fill the tank and then drive for 10-20 miles. I'm adding this. Hi. After putting the additive into the fuel tank, I went on ride for 10 miles. It is very good. At the time of idle, I didn't see any pulsation at the steering. Acceleration is very quick now. My vehicle is around 103,000 miles now, and then very quiet engine noise, as well as the acceleration in the RPM improvement I have seen. Earlier I used to have around 2000 RPM, anything in between the 35 and 45. Now it came down to like a 1400. I'm used to 2000 when I ride 60 miles per hour. Now it is around 1700, 1800 in between. Very much improved acceleration. Looks like it's going to work. Couple of updates in this product. There's a leak coming out of this. I'm not sure whether it is leaking in the middle or from the top, but there is a leak. There is a review about this product, and then once the usage is complete, you will see the fuel still left in between. To maintain this for long term, to keep it clean, what I did is I used the throttle plate cleaner. I sprayed in this hose, and then which I drained through this one, which got cleared out mostly. But safety tip, this particular adapter has a leak, so make sure when that cleaner running, you stay with a rag and then just wipe whenever you see leakage through from here or here, and then that will prevent any fire hazard or any kind of a danger. That is one observation I have. Second one, about the error, dashboard error. I saw that came because throttle plate is opened manually with the hand. My car is a computerized, not the manual throttle, so that's the reason it gives the dashboard error. When I looked at the P2111, that error is with opening the throttle plate, so that shows as the common error as a open throttle plate. Basically, if it is your throttle plate is so sluggish and then non-functional, if it is open. Generally that gets, but in this case what I opened that with hand, pushed at the bottom and then opened it and sprayed it. So when I started the engine in that rear, it got as status as open. So that is the error, and I didn't see error anymore. I hope this will help.